everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick tutorial on how to protect your brush handle. I learned this method from Cakes Ink. You can find her on Instagram. She is amazing with her tutorials. So thank you, Cakes Ink. I really needed this. So in this video you'll see me using my gel top coat to protect the handle of my brush. At the end of this video you'll also see a comparison of unprotected brush and the new protection of my brush. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you really soon, and have a safe merry Christmas. Kisses and glitter, sprinkle with glitter love.